Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can copy trade on Bybit app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on Bybit app and already verified yourself as well. And now right after that, once you open it, you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Bybit apps on in the screen. So now if you want to copy trade, then you can see there is copy trading option, which is at the left side of the more option. So once you tap on the copy trading, you can see you need to scroll a little bit down first, but before that you can see there is copy trading option and copy trading pro at the bottom of this screen. So you can choose any of them. So let me choose copy trading for now, and now you can see there is copy option in here. So let's choose this one, coin nitro. So let's tap on the copy option, and you simply need to enter your amount, let's say 100 USDT or 1000, and you simply need to tap on the copy now, and yeah, you will be able to copy your trade successfully on Bybit app. So basically this is how you can copy trade on Bybit app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.